New Cuff Parade is an exclusive address because it gives you the feeling of living in a resort.
We used to go on holidays or things. Kids used to get excited about, say, the fountains or the bathtubs and things like that. But now all that is available at home.
See, basically this year we have not been to holidays. We said we'll decided that we'll stay here and enjoy what we have.
Yes, it's as good as a 5-star hotel. So.
I wanted a farmhouse. I did not want a house, honestly. So when I saw this place, I found this as equivalent to a farmhouse.
A little bit of a problem in our previous place we used to stay is that as you get out of the apartment, you get into the main road. And here, you have a vast space for us to walk around. NCP Clubhouse is one of the best that you can find. There's many amenities there. My daughter loves swimming, and there are multiple swimming pools in this area.
Clubhouse, you have a lot of indoor activities like carom, the card room, the snooker. So that's something you also get an opportunity to learn something new.
So the best part of our residence is the decks.
All of us enjoy sitting in the deck, whether it's in the morning spending those 5 minutes to yourself or in the evening after coming from office.
With the school coming, the person who is coming to stay here, for him, for dropping his son or daughter to going to school, picking up, becomes quite easy rather than wasting time.
New Cuff Parade also offers this walk to work. The commercial town is coming within the premises, commercial buildings. I think it's a brilliant idea if you're able to walk to work from our home to offices.
GMM Pfaudler, we are the 50-year-old company, and we are into manufacturing equipment for pharmaceutical companies, and we are growing at about 25% every year, so we are adding new employees as well. So we had to look at a bigger office space. We went to Fort, we went to BKC, and then we happened to look at this Lodha property here, the Excellus property at NCP. And we found it to be meeting our requirements. The building itself is very nice, it's very modern. From a connectivity point of view, I think this place gives us opportunities of spending less time in traffic jams and in our cars and more time in our office.
I go to South Mumbai for dinner and it takes me 20 minutes. I go to BKC or Chembur for my work and that takes me 20 minutes. And when I have to go to the airport, that also takes me 20 minutes in the morning. If I ask you the question, if you got 28 hours instead of 24, how would you react?
You can spend with your kids, your family, or on your own personal development.
In my view, this is one of the finest locations I have been to.
The New Cuff Parade would be one of the best gifts we could give our daughter.
I think in 5 years, people will call it, this is the Cuff Parade. They will drop the word new.